welcome to my channel Ananya, and in today's video we are going to make a very easy and pretty greeting card for Valentine's Day. And you just saw it, so let's start. So the materials required. First of all, you need one white sheet, one red sheet, one scissor, one fevicol, one heart punch, one pattern scissor which will cut a pattern like this, one silver glitter, one marker. I took a stick bold marker, then one pencil, one glitter pen of any color. I chose golden, a scale, a sketch pen of red color, and from the pattern scissor I cut a pattern like this on a red and then a yellow sheet, and it's written forever on it, and two hearts and some quilling strips, but not for quilling, for the background. So let's start. For the first step, I'm taking this sheet of white colored A4 size, and now I will fold it into half. I fold it into half. Now I'll take the quilling strips and we'll paste them on the boundary of our sheet like this. You can even use Fevi-stick if you want. Don't paste too much of Fevicol, otherwise both the pages will stick together. Now stick the sheet and cut the extra part out of it. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I will upload many interesting videos. Then do this on all the sides. This way I have sticked the red sheet on red quilling strips on all the side, and now what we have to do is we take a small piece of the red one. I've cut it into small, and now we have to draw two hearts on it. I'm telling you the size of which we have to draw the hearts. This way I've cut one heart of this size, and now I'll trace it because we need two hearts. And now we will, I think you guys would not be visible, so I'll trace it with a marker, and then I'm tracing it with a marker and then showing it how big is it. This size heart, and now we'll cut it. So this way I've cut our two hearts, and now we'll stick it somewhere here. Now here I will stick them. Stick it somewhere here. And now the second heart also to be sticked like this. Paste them. Now what we will do is we'll make an outline of it like this. Do the outline of both the hearts. This way I made of one, and now I will make of the second one. Like this, make of the whole. Now I will draw the expressions. Draw like this of both of them. Like this, both of them have to be drawn. And now we will draw their hands. Tiny hands like this. like this. Just draw like this. Now what we have to do is, the second one, the hand in the center will be connected. Like this. We will connect them and we will make lines here. Now what we have to do is, on this paper we will punch one heart and we will paste this heart in the center. Like this, I've pasted the heart in the center. Now we will draw their legs. Small legs like this. And draw the foot also like this on both of them. So like this, I've drawn the hands on both of them, and now we will take our forever tag and we will paste it here. I'll apply some glue on the forever tag and I will paste it here. It's very simple to make this forever tag. Just cut a small piece from this and then from a yellow sheet and just write forever and draw 2 hearts. The video would be too long, so I didn't show it. Like this, I've made the card, and now what we will do is we will paste some heart. Now I will be pasting some hearts here. How to cut hearts? Just take this sheet of paper and line by line cut hearts. Like this, you have to just keep on cutting hearts. So we've got these many hearts here. Now what I'll do is, applying some glue. Now I've pasted all the hearts here, and now here I will write I love you. Also, I have highlighted I love you like this. And now what I'll do is, I'll take a colored sheet. We'll take it of any color. I choose this one. Instead of taking a colored sheet, what we'll do is, first we'll highlight it like this. And now with the golden pen, we will highlight it from inside. And here I've written Happy Valentine's Day, and now I will highlight with the golden pen. And this way a very pretty card is ready. And it looks like this. So I hope you guys liked the video. So do like, subscribe and share and comment down below how was the video. Bye guys.